All right, good morning, cyber traders. Let me get a little hello. Let's see if everybody can hear me okay. All right. Let me just get the share screen for some of you to set up. How's everybody doing on YouTube? Good to see everybody. Welcome everybody on Facebook Live and also in the Cyber Group room. Hopefully everybody's excited to be back. I am. We got a nice runner right here. IZEA. You can see this stock is doing really, really well. We actually been watching it since this morning. Early bird gets the money. We started right around 7:45. She's just starting to make a nice little pop. Everyone should be in around 2 o'clock at $2. Even at the 8 o'clock move, you can see it had a nice little pop right here at $2. Stock's making a really, 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 really nice pop right here. So anyway, great move on that stock. And we're going to watch it. We got a really big list. What's today? Today is Tuesday. What do we know about Tuesday? This is hump day. Hump day. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays are the best days. But the stock is very, has great volatility, great move. Yesterday had a nice little pop and it's continued the big move. But I want to talk about something. I did a video yesterday. I want to talk about this stock position that we have, NKLA. You could see it right here, NKLA. I'm up about almost 20,000 on that trade. I did a video yesterday. I was up about 14,000. We're up a lot. I was actually I was up about 25,000 this morning. But just really quick talking about this stock, really having some fun on it. You could see we've been trading the stock the last 2 days. This is just from yesterday. It's not even in my swing trading account. This is just my day trading account. But the stock was about $35. If you look up the company, big fan of the trucks that they're coming out with. You know, I've been talking about hydrogen cars for a long, long time. And I'm not taking my personal view on this stock about why it's great and this and that. But I'll tell you what my game plan is. I want everybody to know what's going to go on. I'm not going to go broke taking a profit. First of all, was even expecting to go this high. I was expecting it probably go to maybe 60, 70, not even thinking twice it was going to get close to 100. But I might be holding it up until tomorrow. I did my, you know what? Once in a while, I do my research. Okay. Just let you guys know. But there's a conference call tomorrow, and 40% of the profit share is owned by the CEO of the company, for which I found out. 30% of the volume is only out in the street. The rest is owned by venture capitalists. So there really is no short squeeze in the stock. That's the reason why I'm bringing this up. You know, we trade stocks that got big short squeeze. You can't short squeeze a stock at least until it trades about 30 days, something like that. So what you're seeing is just profit taking. A lot of trades, a lot of algorithms, a lot of day trades. Look, stock trade 3 million shares already. The market didn't even open up. If you look what happened yesterday, stock literally just went from, you could see from 40 all the way up to about to 92. Really had that tough time breaking that 92. It tested it and then starting to back off. But I just want to tell you a funny story. So anyway, I was with with Ben yesterday. Right here. I want to just show you this right here. This is crazy right here. I held it for a shake at $72. It ran all the way down to 65. I was this close of selling it, this close. And I didn't. I held it because of one reason. It's because of this. It was because when I was looking at the level 4, there was a huge buyer, and you could see it on chart. It was a big support level. Now, I know support levels break all the time. It held there extremely strong. Like right now, there's a 16,000 share buyer. He's been out there since 850. That buyer right there supported the stock and ran the stock right back up. And I was like, you know, you got to remember when you're dealing with that, when that stock is that volatile. I mean, when this stock is moving dollars, you're talking about, $1,000 moves. You know what I mean? Like you're up 1,000, down 1,000, up that. I mean, so, and this is a level 4 stock. Now, I know there's some of you that are new here, beginners in the Cyber Group room. So when it comes to trading a stock like this, can you still trade it? Yes, you can. You could trade, you could trade 100 shares. You could trade 50 shares. I got my nephew in the room. He traded 10 shares. You know what I mean? So it's like, why not? So you can still have the glory of it. You don't got to trade that many shares of it. But look, just to show you right here what just happened. Look, we went to 81. Stock came right back down. Boom, it shot right back up to 85. That is the power of following the money. And if you're not doing it, you're not day trading. You're really kind of I don't know what the hell you're doing, to be honest with you. So anyway, Let's go through the watch list. So anyway, that one's back on the watch list. There's another one that's also, like I said, it's doing great. Look at the eyes. Look at why can't you say the damn symbols? The IZEA. I guess the Z and E are throwing me off. Look how beautiful this thing. Listen, if you didn't trade some of the other stocks, look at this IZEA that's moving. Stock is moving great. I know you guys doing well. But I want to go over some of the stocks that we traded yesterday because it just wasn't. Listen, I'm not putting a feather in my cap saying, "Hey, look at me. This is the one I traded." Listen, we were printing money yesterday. I don't even know where to start. You know what? Let's start with Hertz. Should I start with Hertz? Okay. Look what happened to Hertz yesterday. Stock literally went from 250. We jumped in all the way up until 10 o'clock. Look, 9:30, thing ran from 350 up to 650. That is what you call a day trade. And by the way, day traders, just to let you know, for everyone that day trades, we don't buy it at 3 and sell at 6, okay? We buy it at 4 and sell it at 5. We buy it at 350. We sell it at 450. Making a dollar, what's all about. Don't tell me what's going on right now. I really don't care about what's happening with the stock. But listen, we've been trading this last several days. The stock filed bankruptcy. It was down to 82 cents. Look how high it is. That really was a huge winner. What else that we have that was up there? By the way, what else we had? We had that one. Will. Oh, my God. Will. This thing ran from $2 up to $3.50. Now, remember what happened yesterday when I told you the big mover? The big movers were going to be petroleum stocks. Go watch yesterday's video, okay? And you know there's an industry that's hot. Look at all of them. MIT. We were printing money, $5 to $8, okay? You're done at 10:30. That was another big winner. What else that we had? We had MIT, we had Will, we had this. Oh, this will crash the market, though. This one, Chesapeake. It went from $40. It got a halt. It went to 90. Are you kidding me? And then after hours, went back to 92. Then after hours, made the announcement, and I guess they filed bankruptcy, whatever it is. But look what happened. By the way, I want to go back to NKLA to show you how important it is to follow the money. Look, remember we saw it at 81 just a minute ago? Look where it is right now, 88. You still waiting for your broker? Say, oh, damn, I can't trade for at least another 20 minutes. My broker won't let me. You know what? If you just sat there and just watched that trade, even though we own it a lot cheaper than you, you could have jumped in at 81. Right now, you could sell it if you want to at 88. You know what? Nice little profit there. But a lot of people, I want to make a couple of shout outs right here because a lot of people made some really big money. I want to give applauses to Don R made a $2.55. Give him a round of applause. Chuck had his record best day yesterday. He made $1.10 on that, a 10 yesterday. Unbelievable. Congratulations. William made 75 cents. Matthew R, a new trial member, which is probably a record for me, made 7 points yesterday. Give him a round of applause. George F made $7. William L made $1.90 twice. Gene C made $2.50. I mean, it was probably one of the best Mondays we had in about 4 weeks. I would say it was probably about, because we had a couple other Mondays. If I go back and you'll see it, but it was just unbelievable. We had a great day on it. So anyway, way to go, guys. That's what it's all about. Now, listen, that was yesterday. And remember what I told you. You want to be a good swing trader? You want to be a good options trader? You damn well better know how to swing trade first. Okay? Because you got to know what's happening as a swing trade before you can get a day trade, before you can get to a swing trade. So let's go through a couple of stocks. So we got the NKLA. Okay, let me bring it up. Let's type in the symbols over here. NKLA. You see, we know about that one. All right. We know about the IZEA. Okay, that one is just doing phenomenal. Okay, that is just doing great. A couple other ones that came up on the radar. EYES. That one's up about 46%. The only thing I'm a little worried about is kind of flatline right here. So we'll see how it opens up, but it is on my second protocol list. You know, you're hearing all this news about Macy's. Ooh, Macy's. Ooh, Macy's. Macy's, right? Where the hell's Macy's going? Okay. What would you rather be in right now? Macy's, or would you rather be in IZEA? Okay. Remember one of the biggest things. It's all about making money. That's it. That's what you have to look on. What else we got? Oh, Space. Space, I own it as a little bit of a swing trade right here. Space, the stock, I mean, this is for the billionaires to fly into space. They're already sold out. Space did really well right in pre-market. You see one from 1680 up to 1780, holding pretty strong right here. Took a nice, beautiful hit, but she's kind of holding pretty strong here at 15. We got to break this 20. Not more of a swing trade, not more of a day trade. All right. OPESW. Look at this stock, 25 cents up to about $2. It's a warrant. You know what? I didn't know what the issue is because when I went, first of all, I'm not here to teach about warrants, okay? I mean, I cover that in class. But when I looked at this stock right here, obviously this is the warrant for this stock. It's not really going anywhere. But for some of you that can't afford the NKLAW, there is a warrant on it also, just as you could see that too. Basically, a warrant means non-voting shares, so they make it cheaper. Now, we all know what's happening. What's the new news that's in the market? I mean, on the street. What's the new news? We the riots, right? Forget about Corona. I think everyone forgot about the coronavirus. I think that just like went over everyone's head. Okay. What's the new news? Actually, to me, it's old news. The riots, right? Well, guess what? You know what the new news is? To defund the police. Okay. To defund the police. Now, don't get political here. It's not what it's all about. Can we profit from the people out there saying, let's defund the police? Absolutely. When that news came out, Ruger took off. Look what happened to Ruger. When the riots happened, that was at $60. It ran to about 70, almost 75. Then things started closing down a little bit. And once the news came out, guess what? Ruger just popped. Went from 65 back to 75. If Ruger takes off, if it breaks this, if they keep talking about defunding the police and you start seeing that, watch Ruger and all the other gun stocks, Smith & Wesson, all of them. They're flying off the shelf. By the way, not too far from me, I passed by a really main highway. There's a gun shop there. It was a 3-hour wait. Okay, and they're short. They're literally just selling junk guns because there's nothing left. There's a 3-hour wait. So you know what? Can you profit from a catastrophe or an opportunity? Absolutely. Ruger's doing great. So I want you to keep an eye on that. News is so important. IDEX, another stock that's gapped up pretty nice, up 66%. You can see the stock right now is up about. Oops. My phone's ringing. People are already calling me about the stocks. So we got IDEX, another great little stock, 40-cent stock to $1.20. It's gapped up a little bit. I like the support levels here at $1. That's another stock we're going to watch. Did I say Naked? Did I talk about Naked D yet? I didn't bring up Naked D, right? So Jerry is okay. Never mind. I'm not going to bring that up. Naked right here. Nice little push up right here. You can see the stock also. Very inexpensive stock, up 50%. Beautiful stock right there. And there's a stock that's getting crushed right now. I want to bring this up. Okay, SLNO. It's getting destroyed. What does the stock do? It's a pharmaceutical stock because they always have the last name. So anyway, just remember one thing. I know a lot of us, which is my favorite thing, I love to bottom fish, right? I just want you to understand, pharmaceutical stocks do not come back. You cannot bottom fish a pharmaceutical stock. When they lose their status, doesn't go too well. All right. So anyway, and by the way, I did a video on YouTube, and I think I posted it up there. Oh, no, this is actually for the to register for Cyber Expo this week. But I did a video on the NKLA yesterday. So to talk about how to follow the money. So if you guys have not watched it, do me a favor, just sit back, make sure you like it. It's very important to us that you like it because the thing is this. A lot of people want to learn how to trade. There's a lot of people out there that talk about things, but you know what? And there's a lot of people do a better marketing job than us. So, we need your support. Go out there because these things got to be, people need to understand what they're getting themselves involved in. Trading is an 80% failure rate. So don't go out there And, and let's help those people out there. Listen, the more people that do what we do, the more money we actually make. Okay. Because it makes more things transparency. Okay. Now, once again, any questions, by the way, any other stocks or anything that I'm missing? I did not call up. Anybody on YouTube? Anybody in Cyber Group? I think I nailed them all. That Rich just put the link up there for, yeah, this is the link for the YouTube channel. Oh, you put it in the room? Okay, good. All right, we got it up there. All right, yeah, just watch this if you want to see a little bit more about that stock. By the way, the level 4, just to let you know, I'm going to actually be on there Thursday. So I'm going to be doing an event for that too. So we got the Cyber Expo, and I also got the Bookmap event that I'm going to be doing with. I'm going to be one of the feature speakers on it. So listen, if you're out there and you want to learn how to day trade, you want to understand how to day trade, how it works, everything else, here's your opportunity to do it for some of you here. And then I know we got a lot of trial members that started this week. I'm just telling you, I'm just really excited that we got these great trial members that are doing well. But please, I want you to understand something. If you're new to my trading room, which is, let me just bring this up here so everybody can see what I'm talking about. All right. So if you're in the trading room, okay, which by the way, if you're online, you could actually, you can get into this room because we trade all day and we'll do live commentary. Just do me a favor. Your job is not to trade what we're trading. We did not teach you how to trade. This is basically just so you can see if people actually make money doing it. All right. And remember, don't look at me. Okay. I'm just a messenger. I'm looking for traders I could trade so we could work together. So I just want to kind of remind everybody that, it's not about, me sitting there and punching my chest and everything. Once in a while, I want you guys to feel good about yourself that you made money here and there. But remember, the ego stops here. We only preach how much points you're up, and that's what it's all about. And we do that so we can discourage any other traders. Now, just remember, everybody, so we got the big Cyber Expo that's coming up this week. That's on Thursday. We got all the great speakers here. So please make sure that you are registered for the June Cyber Expo. We got 4 great speakers that are going to be here. So if you have not registered yet, that's this Thursday. 4 great speakers. If you can't make it, it's recorded. It'll be on your dashboard. So don't miss that opportunity. We're going to be talking about it all day long. All right, just before we go, we got a couple people that are just pointing out some stocks over here, and I want to bring them up and see what they're looking at. I got some people online. What do you think of the? We got Steen that has the ID, the X trade. The IDEX. I called it out. It's nice. It's got major support levels right here. There's a lot of buyers out there. But if it does break this dollar price, which it looks like it's trying to, then it's garbage and it's over. All right. What else we got? The IZEA tube. We've been in since 7:30. I don't know where you've been. You put the post at 9:17. We've been trading it. The trader's been in it since we start. We open up our trading room at 7:30. So everybody's in there in that room trading. So we've been in it ever since. All right. Philippe is saying in the trading room, the IMRN is going crazy. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, Philippe. Thank you very much. See that? I did not know that until you pointed it out. That's what I teach my traders what to do. Beautiful. IMRN. Unbelievable. Beautiful stock. All right. Great stock. Put that in a watch list. Going crazy. Got to see that big orders. Look at that. 375 all the way to 1220. All right. Anybody else that I'm missing? Any other stocks I'm missing? I got that one. I got that one. I got that one. All right, guys. We got about 10 minutes. I want to get ready for the open. I'm going to definitely check out this IMRN. This thing looks fabulous. All right. I got the swing trade going on with NKLA. I'm going to try to resist myself to, not to sell it, but I'm going to try to hold it until Wednesday, until the conference call. Remember, buy on rumor, sell on news. That's the motto you're supposed to do. All right. Golden Kim has just one. Let me just bring up that one last stock for Golden Kim over here. SQBG. You know what? It's a penny stock. It's up pretty big. The only issue I have when we trade these stocks, I really don't know where it's going up or going down watching the dominating market maker. But she looks okay. I mean, she's breaking lower lows. She's up a lot. But you know what? I'll see what she looks like when she opens up. But as of right now, you can see from 6:30 this morning until now, she really hasn't gone anywhere. It's basically a big gap up. Okay, you can see that right there. It's been a big gap up. All right. All right, everybody. Listen, Good luck. Happy trading. There's no safer place than being in the cyber group room. Remember, you got this whole coronavirus out there. You know what? I know a lot of people are unemployed with 13%. I'm actually pretty happy the Dow is down today because you know what? It's not normal that it went up as high as it did. So when you see a little retracement, that's healthy. That's good. The longer and the much longer it stays here, the better off we are. That's what you want. All right. Okay, guys. Patrick says, I am an RN is ridiculous. I know. Look at that thing. Woo! Way to go. Let me just show everybody in the other video so everybody could see it. There you go. Look at that. Go ridiculous. Jerry, you made 55 cents on that stock? There you go. What better play? And you know what? Guess what? It looks like it's making a Fausto flag. That looks like a Fausto flag right there. You know what that means, or where that's leading us to. All right. So everyone, we'll be back at 2:30 for some of you on YouTube Live and Facebook Live. Cyber Group members, you see something, you say something. If you're new to the Cyber Group room, you're a trial member, listen, look, listen, and learn. Please. There's not a trading room, teaching room. It's a trading room. If you like what we do and you want to learn this and you're sick and tired of what you learned in the past, then talk to Education Advisor and he'll be able to talk about it. But you know what? Trading is not for everyone. It's okay. And that's a good thing. So, but it doesn't hurt to find out first if it is for you or not. All right. Happy trading. Be safe, everybody. Good luck today.